Today, I'll be making a very flavorful salmon with just 2 lemons and a few spices. I'll be showing you a very simple technique to take your salmon to the next level. I start off by washing the salmon. Some people prefer to skip that step, and that's fine. In a baking tray, place a sheet of parchment paper, then the salmon fillet on it. To ensure the salmon absorbs every flavor, make small cuts all over the surface. Now, in a separate bowl, we'll add a total of 5 spices. A teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of dried onions, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and finally a teaspoon of cilantro, if you're feeling it. Mix them all together and spread the spices evenly onto the salmon. Now, rub them in to enhance the flavor. Add salt and pepper to your liking. Squeeze half a lemon and pour it on top. Then slice a lemon in half to cover the full salmon. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil on top. And then place in the oven, previously preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 minutes. And voila! I hope you enjoyed this easy salmon recipe. If you're new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. Let me know what recipes you would like to see next. Enjoy!